Okay, so I bought this Hoover Pet Max Complete. The reviews were good, so I bought it and I hate it. So it's really loud, for starters. The cord is nice and long on it. So when you have to get moving with it, the button's down here. I hold the handle. Here's the button. I put my foot on it, and it is so stiff that I literally, look at, see how it just keeps rolling, and then it goes. Watch again. See how it rolls? It won't disengage. I have to literally put it up against something usually, like so. Push the release lever, and then it comes down. Now you're going to hear how loud it is. The brush roll does not stop when you take the wand out. So I get the wand out. The brush roll will keep going. The brush roll stays on. And then you notice I'm bending over because the wand does not extend, which makes it hard on my back. So the wand does not extend. And other than that, I'm not impressed with it. Just wanted. Oh, and the other thing, when you take this to empty it, this thing is virtually, you need a man almost to remove that top, to untwist this top part when you disengage it. To untwist it, like I'll show you, here's the release cup. So it's got this lock and unlock. This is for this, so you can clean the top of this filter out, the canister. So yeah, it takes brute force to get that thing to unlock and to get this cap off so that I can clean that. So on a rating score of 1 to 10, I would definitely get this a 2.
Doing a review of my new Hoover vacuum. It's the Pet Max Complete upright vacuum. Here it is. I have to tell you, I hate it. First of all, this is so hard to push. It might get easier later, but it is so hard to get to release so you could vacuum. And also, it is very hard to push forward. My last vacuum was a Shark, and it was self-propelled, and I forgot that most vacuums are not. This vacuum's heavy and hard to push forward, despite me changing it to different settings. I have it on low right now, but I did have it on high. Listen to the high-pitched sound it makes. It's deafening. So this one's going back.
I have rheumatoid arthritis, so it's hard for me to push or pull on anything, but this one's real easy. Take in and put right back in. Real easy to shut off, so no problem. Just push this button to empty the canister, so all of it's real easy.
Wow.
This thing really works.
You gotta be kidding.
No, look.
Out of this little area.
Yeah. Out of this little area. Holy moly, Mom. Look at.
Oh my word.
I know. Maddie, come here and look at all your hair. I should have got this 3 years ago. That's probably 3 years. I was getting on my hands and knees. Where are you? Maddie. She's hiding. Oh, she's under the table.
Is it designed to?
Yeah, it's specifically for pets.
So I got this about a month ago, and it's 1 or 2 days past me being able to return it. Turns on everything. This doesn't move, that won't move.